if you can watch this video to the end, I'm going to be showing you a way that can earn you nothing less than $200 per week. Yes, I repeat myself, nothing less than $200 per week. So keep on watching this video if you're really ready to make money here online. Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something I just joined like 3 days ago, and I'm going to be showing you some screenshots of payments I have here on my phone, and also why you need to join this. In case you don't know, this is called Metaforce. I've already made a video about it previously, so please just watch this video, because in this video I'm going to like elaborate more about Metaforce and how we earn on Metaforce. But note that we earn in dollars. So if you're earning in dollars right now, you know that dollars increased. So us that earning in dollars, we know what it means. Okay, so here are some screenshots of payments. As you can see, as I said, I joined Metaforce 3 days ago. Okay, some of the screenshots here are not mine, while some of them are mine. Okay, as you can see, this person has just been paid 16,020 BUSD from Metaforce, and let me show you some screenshots of some payments. As you can see, all these are called payments. These are payments on Metaforce. These are we receive our pay from Metaforce. As you can see, this other one, these are pay here on Metaforce. Let me show you more of our payments here on Metaforce. As you can see, $150, $103,959 has been sent. This is how we make money here on Metaforce. We receive steady income here on Metaforce. But how do we make money here on Metaforce? We make money here on Metaforce either by referring or joining an active team. The name of my team is called Team Alpha, and by referring anybody, you're going to get $5. There are different levels on Metaforce. The first level, if you refer somebody, you're going to get $5. The second level, $10. You just be multiplying it by 2 till you reach level 12. That's how we earn money here on Metaforce. Okay, now the other way that you can earn money on Metaforce is by joining an active team, just like my team. If you join my team, you can earn money even though you don't refer people, because here on Metaforce we have what we call spillover and overflow. Spillover are money gotten from the team, the who, while overflow is money that is gotten from the people you referred. Like those people you referred, their first 2 referrals are going to go to you as their upline. Okay, so you can earn money from referring people. You can earn money from joining an active team, just like my team. As you can see, this is money made for my team. These are some screenshots of our payments. All of these are money that you too can make if you're ready to join Metaforce. As you can see, the writing here, the rich get richer because the poor thinks everything is a scam. So if you think this is a scam, you already know that you are poor. So these are proofs of payment. If you're ready to join Metaforce, let me show you why Metaforce is not free. Metaforce is not free because it is not a Ponzi scheme. A Ponzi scheme is a scheme that they will ask you for email, password or phone number, then they will send you code. No, Metaforce is not like that. You don't need your phone number, you don't need your password. All you just need is your wallet. Now to register on Metaforce is 5,200 naira. Let me show you the reason why I need 5,200 naira to register for Metaforce. Now you're not using money to register on Metaforce. This is what you're using to register for Metaforce: this Polygon coin and this DAI coin. Now you need 0.2 of this Polygon coin, and then you need 5 of this DAI coin in order for it to register on Metaforce. Now if you have this 0.2 Polygon and 5 DAI coin, you can just come and message me here on WhatsApp. I just pinned my WhatsApp link in the comment. You can just click on the link to message me on WhatsApp if you're interested. So either you want to buy this coin from me because I'm a vendor of the coin, or you can choose to buy it from Binance, or you can choose to buy it from Coinbase. It's not that I'm forcing you to buy it from me. Now the price of these two coins, this 0.2 Polygon coin and this 5 DAI coin, is currently at 5,200 naira now, and you know as dollar is increasing. So if you're interested, I will say that you hurry up fast and get these 2 coins. Once you get these 2 coins, you can just message me. Even though you're interested, just message me and I'll see how we can flow with it. Now once you're successfully registered on Metaforce, I will add you over to our official Telegram group with over 2,700 and something members, where we learn about Metaforce and how to earn a living from Metaforce. Not just that, I'm still going to add you to our official WhatsApp group, Team Alpha WhatsApp group, where we learn many things about Metaforce. Okay, where we learn many things about Metaforce and how to also make a living out of Metaforce. We learn from different people from high level, and they teach us how to do other things here on Metaforce in order for us to make a living here on Metaforce. This is the power of Metaforce. There's also something I want to show you guys. To show you how strong Metaforce is, once you just click on WhatsApp, you're going to see something. Okay, let me just remove this other one. I want to show you guys something to show that Metaforce. So once you just click on WhatsApp, you're going to see something like that. I hope you're seeing this thing by Meta, from Meta. This thing is from Metaforce to show you how Metaforce is really strong. So if you're interested in joining Metaforce, click on the first link in the comment section. I've already pinned it, so click on it so that you will know how Metaforce works. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you up in my next video.